the mount and umount command in Linux. I am Dr. Amit Chaturvedi, Assistant Professor MCA Department, Engineering College Ajmer. So let us first discuss what these commands are. The mount command mounts a storage device or file system, making it accessible and attaching it to an existing directory structure. Because we very well know that in Linux or in Unix, all the directories are arranged in a tree structure, big tree structure, and the files or directories we want to access, we first have to attach that from its existing file system. So this mount command is used for that. The umount command is just the reverse of mount, means it is used to unmount a mounted file system. Means if we have attached a directory with the file system, and for detaching it from that file system, we have to use umount command. So it is used for informing the system to complete any pending read or write operations and safely detaching it from the file system. These are the syntaxes of mount and umount command. Now let us understand these commands with this description. All files accessible in Unix or a Unix style system such as Linux are arranged in a big tree. The file hierarchy rooted at /. These files can be spread out over several devices. The mount command attaches a file system located on some device or other to the file tree. Conversely, the umount command will detach it again. The standard form of the mount command is mount space -t type device name and the directory. This tells the kernel to attach the file system found on device at the directory dir. The previous contents, if any, mentioned there, the owner and mode of dir becomes invisible, and as long as this file system remains mounted, the path name dir refers to the root of the file system on device. The umount command detaches the specified file system or systems from the file hierarchy. A file system is specified by a given directory where it has been mounted, giving the special device on which the file system lives may also work, but is an obsolete method mainly because it will fail in case this device was mounted on more than one directory. So that's all from my side on this topic. Thank you.